Hi guys, so for today's video, I just want to share you how to apply a dual citizenship. So if you wanna apply for a dual citizenship, like in your case, example, if you were a Filipino citizen before and then you married to American and then later on you became a US citizen, so you are no longer considered a Filipino citizen. So it means you lost your Filipino citizenship. So in order for you to acquire the Filipino citizen, you need to apply for a dual citizenship or the number 9225. So to be eligible for a dual citizenship under Republic Act number 9225, which is dual citizenship law, you must be a former natural-born Filipino citizen who became naturalized citizen to another country, so at least 18 years old, okay? But anyway, before that, I just want to clarify that this is only based on my experience. So I am not a legal attorney or I didn't work as employee for the Philippine Embassy, okay? But so to make sure that legit ang inyong documents, you need to go to the Philippine Embassy website to obtain the documents you needed, like the requirements, the forms, the fees. So and always check them for the updates. So in my case, guys, like this. So since I lost all my Filipino citizenship and then I need to reacquire this one, so all you have to do first is to set an appointment. You need to book an appointment, guys. Let's see like that. So you need to book an appointment. Like I said, we go here for the dual citizenship. You need to book that one. Click that and they will tell you, they give you the date you want to apply, the date you want to process all your paperwork. So, and then, but if I were you guys, in my case, I will process all the documents I needed that I need to bring to the Philippine Embassy. Because what if you already booked an appointment and you didn't have to buy two pictures, and then you didn't have money to pay. So you need to process all the documents first before you set an appointment. Okay. So what you need to bring to apply for these documents. So first you need the application form. So complete the application reaccusation form. So this one you need to complete this, apply that one, and then so you need a birth certificate. A birth certificate, guys, it must be a naka-NSO. Okay, so if you didn't have a NSO birth certificate, you can apply it also here for the birth certificate issued by the Philippines and they will send you through mail. Okay, so naturalization certificate. Remember when you take the oath of a US citizen, they provide you the certificate. You need to bring that also. And in the Philippines and foreign passport, you need to bring that too. So the most important thing, guys, if you lost your passport or it's already expired, you still need to bring them, okay? Hahanapin pa din yan nila. So for the photograph, you need to bring 2x2 pictures. 2x2 pictures. So in my case, last time they told me that I need to bring a lot of 2x2, but guys, you just need two. Two by two, because the one they will put it in your form for the form of the dual citizenship, and the second they will put it in your passport. So you can also apply it at the same time passport, guys. Okay. So but you need to make sure first that your case is the same or not. You need to research more. Okay. So for the change of name, example, you married. So you need to bring your birth certificate, your marriage certificate that is a proof that you changed your last name or you carried another name. Okay. So payment, $50 is the processing fee for each adult principal. So they only accept like money order, payable to Embassy of the Philippines, cash, debit, or credit card. They didn't they don't accept personal checks, okay? So if you have a derivative citizenship of minor, like example, may underage ka na you wanna put them on the documents also, you wanna file the paperwork. Like example, hindi mo pa na-report ang report of birth nila sa Philippines. So, pwede mo sila isama sa paperworks na ito. You need to provide their 2x2 photos also, their birth certificate, and Philippine passport. So, for the applicant, minor derivative, $25 ang charge, okay? So you can also apply for a Philippine passport, as I said earlier. So it will take like a month, guys, when I receive my passport. Okay. So this is my passport now. So I can valid for 10 years. Okay. Actually, I tried to apply passport for my kids also, but at the same time, I need to bring them there. It need to be physically attend. So you cannot just file a papers with them without their presence. So, well, I felt that day, so I cannot. I should bring them, but I can't. But it's okay because they're still young and they have a U.S. passport. So we'll stay here in the U.S. anyway. And then, so that's it. So that's all you need to do. You just set an appointment, provide all the necessary documents, and then after that, you can also apply for Philippine passport. At the same time, you will receive that certificate, okay? So the only tips that I have to tell you guys is make sure to bring extra cash because based on my experience last time, my flight got canceled because of the bad weather. And of course, you cannot stay in the airport. You need to get out and find you a place to stay. And in my case, well, thanks to God, my husband got enough money to help me pay that hotel that is so expensive in Washington. And you need to walk, walk, walk. You need to keep walking. And then, if you are not sure, guys, like you need to keep watching you need to keep watching the updates of your flight because last time I keep sitting there waiting for my flight and then my flight get canceled. It takes me like 3 hours before I knew that my flight is canceled. So I need to go back there, stay in the hotel, pay food, pay everything, and then pay the gas coming here, the rides. So you need to have an extra money. Okay? So just for in case if something happened that you don't expect. So that's all you need to do. And then, what else? What else I have to tell you? Oh, here. So you need to bring envelope also, guys. You need to bring envelope. Priority here for the passport. As you see here, you need to book an up. Well, here, if you want to apply a passport at the same time, you don't need to sit on appointment because you can want to apply at the same time. You just have to bring all the necessary documents and then the biometrics. You receive your passport like yeah, 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, so for the passport, you need to fill up the form, the birth certificate, the same, the proof of citizenship, the Philippine passport holder, the original, guys, you need to bring them even if it's expired. And then the change of name. And then also, don't forget to bring the self-address USPS. Don't forget to bring the USPS priority mail flat rate envelope with 12.90 US dollar stamps, okay? Kasi dito yan nila, they will use that one to return, to put your Philippine passport. They will send it to your mail. Okay, so $60 is the fee for the passport processing fee. And make sure to check the Philippine Embassy website for updates, okay? So that's it. That's it for today. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video will help you, okay? So clarification, I shared this screen recorder because to bring you to the actual documents for the Philippine Embassy para hindi kayo ma-scam. Okay? So, thank you so much and you have a blessed day. Bye for now.